Dear friends, a multitude of people flocked to the tiny state of Goa to pay homage to the faithful servant of God, Saint Francis Xavier. Saint Francis Xavier preached the good news of Christ with great zeal and dedication, showing the path of salvation.
Sisters and brothers, we shall be having yet another solemn exposition of the sacred relics of St. Francis Xavier, for whom we have such a great devotion. The genuine fruitfulness of the exposition will depend very much on the seriousness of our spiritual preparation for this great faith event. I invite all the members of our church in Goa to prepare themselves spiritually at the personal, family, parish, and diocesan levels, so that all of us together can be truly an evangelizing church, committed to share with others the values of the gospel that have been entrusted to us.
To spiritually prepare ourselves, the Exposition Committee will be creating short videos. Let us devoutly watch them and share with others.